Hello friends, welcome back to our cooking voyage.
In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you all how to make chicken pasta with a combination of red and white sauce. Let's take a look at the ingredients required to make this pasta.
First, I'm going to boil pasta. For that I have taken large stock pot, which gives pasta plenty of space to move around. Now, I'm filling the pot with water and season it with couple tablespoon of salt. It's essential to add salt because it boosts the flavor of pasta. Bring the water to full rolling boil.
Here's a little tip for making the water boil faster. Put a lid on the pot, but keep it partially uncovered so you will hear when the water starts to boil. In the meantime, I'm going to marinate the chicken with 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red chilli powder, salt 1 teaspoon, and finally squeeze half a lemon. Now mix together all the spice powder. Once it is done, rest the chicken for half an hour.
Now you can see the water started boiling. At this stage I am adding 2 cups of penne pasta. Remember, the pasta will cool down the water once you drop them into it. So to bring back the water back up to boil more quickly, put the lid back on.
Always check the pasta packaging for the cook time. For me it took around 12 minutes. Once you think the pasta is cooked to your liking,
Before transferring the pasta to a colander, scoop out 2 cups of pasta water from it.
I'm transferring the pasta to a colander. To bring down the temperature, I'm adding cold water to the pasta. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil and keep it aside. Now I'm going to make a white sauce. For that, in a small saucepan, over medium heat, melt butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. Once the butter melts, add 4 teaspoons of Maida. Stir until the butter and flour are well combined. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic and stir continuously. Pour in the milk, stirring continuously as it thickens. Add more milk depending on desired consistency. Now I am adding 1 cup of pasta water little by little for thinning a sauce. Now the base sauce is ready. I am seasoning it with 1 teaspoon of parmesan, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, mixing it together.
A creamy homemade white sauce is ready.
I'm going to shallow fry the chicken and keep it ready to mix with the pasta. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon butter and 2 teaspoon olive oil. Once the butter melts, add chopped garlic. I don't want the garlic to turn brown, so immediately add in the onions. Cook the onion until it turns translucent. Once the onions are cooked, I'm adding jalapeno, mushroom and spinach. Saute for a couple of minutes. To spice it up, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, and finally seasoning it up with salt.
Now saute the veggies for a couple of minutes.
Now the veggies are cooked. I have taken 1 cup of red sauce, give a mix, and 1 cup of white sauce. Now mix the red and white sauce for a couple of minutes.
The sauce looks little thick, so to thin it down, I'm using half a cup of pasta water.
I'm using freshly chopped basil, which really wakes up the flavor and makes this taste incredible. Now I'm adding the cooked pasta to it. Mix the pasta with the sauce. Add the cooked chicken. Mix it well. Lastly, for the gooey cheesy factor, we top it with a blend of Parmesan cheese. You can skip this step if you want to. A yummy and tasty pasta is ready to serve. Do try this recipe at your home. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and leave your comment below. And subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.